I'm glad that you're watching because I get asked this all the time. How do you pack for your trips? Now, this is a long trip that I'm taking to Japan, and I had an itinerary of what I wanted to do, but I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna do, and I'm totally flexible with that. So I'm gonna try to show you guys like how I plan on packing. So off right here we have, I usually bring like 2 to 4 really nice outfits, my pajamas. As you can see right here, I roll my clothes. That's how I utilize the most space. I bring 2 regular pair of jeans, light and dark. I'm actually trying on some of the clothes, so I bring 2 pairs of shorts, one light, one green, one light, one dark. Over here, I bring some athletic wear, so you see a short set and a long pant set. I bring a whole array of different shirts that I can mix and match with these pants options. Right here, I always carry a purse with me, always. And it just always comes with me, and it has a drawstring so you can pull it tight. Next to it, I carry jackets. Now, if you've seen some of my travel hacks, the jean jacket, some really good options of how to store things. Now, I'm just getting off of a trip from Puerto Rico, so now that I have more time to be in a different location, as well as an option to have more carrying capacity, you can see, I'm gonna move it down here, that we have 2 options. Well, not 2 options, but these are the options that I'm taking. And that right there is my carry-on luggage there, and then that's my personal item, my backpack there. And if I, for some reason, just get really low on storage, I'll end up taking that little cloth carrying bag, something that you can get from the store or whatever, and I'll use my hack of buying a plastic airport bag, which I actually have one, so we'll see. I am flying from Gerald R. Ford to O'Hare, and then from O'Hare I'm going directly to Tokyo. So those are kind of like how I pack my clothes, and it probably looks like there's a lot and it's all over the place. Don't mind that mess over there, but it really is doable, and you definitely get a lot of different options. I always try to like dress for the weather and just have different options, because you don't know when it's gonna rain, when it's going to be super hot. And I always bring 3 pairs of shoes with me, and you can look down there, I always bring my sandals and my heels and my gym shoes, and that's like, you're pretty much solid with those things. I also carry belts with me and jewelry. In the backpack there, it does have a lot of the essentials like face wash, lotion, as well as wiping pads for your face, you know, makeup remover wipes as well. And so when I'm doing a small trip, everything fits in there, but I do put things over in the suitcases. You can kind of see some lotion and razors, a little bit of makeup. There's my underwear and my bras, my, as they say, my feminine products, as well as any hats, because depending on what temperature you're in, you definitely don't want to come back looking like a whole different person. So in this backpack here, I always carry a plastic bag. You never know when you need one. And I always carry sunglasses with me, because you never know. And something cheap, so just in case they get lost or broken, it's not really a big deal. It's easily replaceable. And I always carry a water bottle. So probably after I make sure everything is washed, you'll see me roll everything up and see how I do it. So this is everything laid out, and then we'll move on to see everything. And just so you can see some things I have toothbrush and some body wash, mascara, and some face cream. Can't go nowhere without no earrings. But so far, currently, as I pack for this trip, I won't be putting anything in here. Everything I have in here will just stay. hammock if you stay in a hammock. These are great to have. Bug spray, because you never know what location you're staying at. Eye drops, because if you have contacts, these are great to have. And I usually carry an extra contact or two, just in case I lose one. Some sunblock, because that's always amazing to have. And so this came from Nordstrom's Rack. Yes, I got this from Nordstrom's Rack. And I got my carry-on bag from Kohl's. Now, I always like to carry some Carmex with me, some hair ties with me, earrings, and some sunglasses. Yes, these are a little bit on the broken side, but I have the extra lens, not the extra lens, but the lens that comes with it. I have it in here, so go ahead and a plastic bag just in case you're out and about and you need to throw something. Here's the lens, so we're all good there. I don't know what I want to say occasionally. Keep like some petty cash in this apartment. It's just easy to get here at the airport or whatever, what have you. Now I normally have my broken glasses. Don't mind them. I just bought it to give it a try, so we'll see how this is gonna fit in. As I told you, I always carry my water bottle here. And for this trip, I'm gonna be keeping any of my notes or any books like this in this section. I do have an extra space here, and I keep my snacks in this area. I'm gonna have to run and get the rest of my snacks. So, be right back. So, off camera, I just kind of, they're a lot, but I'll probably end up putting the selfie stick in here. I probably should open it. So, first thing I'm loading up are my pajamas, and I like to stay warm because I was extremely cold in Puerto Rico, so I like to carry that, and I always like this to be at the base of my bag. And usually what I will do is this will usually hook on here. I'll go ahead and I'll get like some of mine that I'm wearing. Sometimes I double up on clothes and wear maybe 2 items, pair of pants or leggings with me. I try to like go with the same color coordination, and I do have a pop of color, but I kind of stayed a little on the neutral side. So like blues, whites, browns, but yeah. I always bring an umbrella, different weather temperature. So also, I'm putting so much stuff in this backpack that I probably won't even have that much stuff to bring things back. So, later that. Probably the next thing I'm gonna probably bring, so I'll probably put, maybe with my snacks, because, ooh, I'm not sure. My mind is still in Puerto Rico. I'm like trying to figure out, I'm gonna put it here, because I usually put shoes in here, but if I don't have to carry my shoes, I'm happy. That are still in the washing machine would be my maid do, depending on like how warm or how cold she likes to be in the hotel room, or I'm wearing the sweatshirt that I wear there as my night clothes. There were halfway packs with those outfits, which just leaves me so much more space in my luggage. It's ridiculous. Here, my passport here. So I'll probably keep all of this stuff with me, which I know I will. It's any of that. Literally just, I plan on traveling somewhere internationally because tickets have been like so reasonable. But I did go on Shein to get like a passport holder to keep all my stuff in. So this should be very interesting because I really want some clothes that are really not in there. And yeah, oh, I also forgot what I normally do. I normally like keep my shoes. It's just a habit, and I don't know if I'm gonna continue to do that for this trip, but we'll see. Because I'll be wearing my gym shoes. This will go in the suitcase, and yeah, we should get for her. So, tomorrow, guys.